Have you wanted to know how to configure employee journeys utilizing ServiceNow? Today, you and I are going to build a journey together and learn how to configure the components of employee journey management in ServiceNow. We'll be using two key apps, Journey Designer and Journey Accelerator. And instead of just talking through features, we're going to walk step by step through creating a real journey, a new hire onboarding experience, from installation all the way to measuring results. Let's jump in. Installing Journey Designer. All right, let's start by installing Journey Designer, which includes Journey Accelerator. In the top left, click All to open the Application Navigator. Now type System Applications in the filter. We'll click on All Available Applications, then select All. In the search box, type Journey Designer. You should see Journey Designer listed. Click Install and check Load Demo Data if you'd like to follow along with preloaded examples. This install may take a few minutes. Once it's done, we'll move into Setup. Before we start configuring our journey, let's first make sure we are in the Journey Designer application scope. To do that, let's click on the All Applications waffle icon in the top right corner. We click Application Scope and type Journey Designer in the filter. Then click the link. Opening the Journey Design Admin Console. Now that the application is installed and we are in the Journey Designer application scope, let's open the Journey Design Admin Console, which will be our control center for building and managing journeys. In the top menu, click All again to open the application navigator. Then type Journeys in the search bar. We'll then click on the module Journey Designer Admin Console to open the Journey Design Admin Console. Think of this as your mission control. Here you can configure a journey, view top journey configurations, or view helpful resources. We will be coming back to this once we build the foundational elements for our journey. We'll start with Journey Type. In the navigator, click All, and again type Journeys in the search bar. Select Manage Journey Types. At the top right of the list, click New. In the form, we'll name it New Hire Onboarding. For description, we'll also type New Hire Onboarding. You'll see three header configuration options for the manager, employee, and mentor views. These define how each role will see the journey banner at the top of the Employee Center. We'll leave these as default for now, then click Submit. This journey type will act as our category, the backbone for every onboarding experience we'll create. Creating a plan in Journey Accelerator. Now let's move into Journey Accelerator, where we'll define the details, the stages and tasks that bring our journey to life. In the navigator, click Manage Plan Types, then click New. Let's name this one Onboarding Plan and click Submit. Next, we'll create a plan configuration. In the Application Navigator, click Manage Plan Configurations, then New. In the form, fill in Title, New Hire, 30-Day Plan. Audience is the specific population of users who this Journey Accelerator plan can be used. I've created an audience for all employees that we'll use. Short description, Guided Onboarding Plan for New Hires. Now for Journey Accelerator Plan Type, we will select the plan type we created earlier. Onboarding Plan. This configuration acts as a reusable template. Every new hire's journey can be built from this plan. Click Submit. Let's reopen the plan we just created. You will notice the active field is read-only. This is because we have not created any stages for this. Let's create new stages and revisit this Journey Accelerator configuration plan. Creating stages. Now that we've defined our plan, let's add stages. In the Application Navigator, click Manage Stage Names, then New. We'll create a few stages. Week 1, Welcome and Setup. Week 2, Team Integration. Week 3, Learning and Check-in. Associating stages to the Journey Accelerator plan. We are going to associate the stages we created back to our Journey Accelerator plan. Let's go back to our onboarding plan by going to the Application Navigator and click Manage Plan Configuration. Then select our plan New Hire 30-Day Plan. You will note that the active field is read-only. This is because we have not associated any stages to our plan. For each of our stages, we will associate them to the plan configuration. Here on the tab Stage Configurations, let's click New. Let's fill out the form. Stage name, Week 1, Welcome and Setup. Stage order is the order of the stage in increments of 100. We will leave this as is. Journey Accelerator Plan Configuration is the plan with which this stage is associated. Click Submit. Let's do the same for our other stages. Now that we have associated the stages to our plan, you will note that the active field is no longer read-only. Let's click Ready for Work to activate our plan and move the state from draft to ready. Creating task templates. Now let's add the actual tasks that employees will complete during those stages. In the navigator, we will again type Journeys, then click Manage Task Templates. Click New. In the form, fill in the following: Name, Complete IT Setup. Table, Journey Accelerator Task, set mandatory to true. Task short description, set up laptop, email, and access. Task description. Let's make this the same as the short description. Assigned to source is the user to whom this task will be assigned. We will set it to employee. And now click Submit. Let's repeat this for a couple more tasks. Attend orientation session and meet your manager. Associating tasks to the stages. Each task will be associated to a stage in our onboarding plan, creating a clear path for the employee. To do that, we will first open the task we previously created, Complete IT Setup. Here at the bottom of the form is where we connect our task to the stage. Here on the right, we will click Edit. We'll select Week 1, Welcome and Setup, add it to the slush bucket, then click Save. We can follow the same steps for our other task templates. We will associate the templates as following: meet your manager to Week 2 and attend orientation to Week 3. Now that we have completed this, let's go back to our Journey Accelerator plan. You will see here in the Task Template tab the templates we created. Employee Journey Roles. Let's view the Employee Journey Roles. In the navigator, type Journeys. Then click Manage Roles. Here we can add the journey-related roles. Here's a list of the roles and their functionalities. Putting it all together, Journey Configuration. Now let's put it all together. Let's go back to the Journey Admin console by going to the Application Navigator and typing Journeys in the search. We'll then click on the module Journey Designer Admin to open the Journey Design Admin console. Here we'll click Journey Configurations. Then Create Journey Configuration. Let's fill in the form. Journey configuration name New Hire Onboarding. Journey source is the source at which our journey will come from, whether it's a lifecycle event, Journey Accelerator, or both. In our example, we'll be utilizing Journey Accelerator. For more information on creating a lifecycle event, see the links in the description of this video. Type is the type we created earlier, New Hire Onboarding. After selecting our Journey source, you will note that the field Journey Accelerator Plan Type appears here. We'll select the Accelerator plan we created earlier, Onboarding Plan. If we would have selected Lifecycle Events as our journey source, then Lifecycle Event Type would have appeared. Active makes the journey available to be used in the Journey Designer. Update on Manager Change will update the following fields when the manager changes. Please note that the flow, Manager Change Journeys, needs to be activated for this functionality to work. Journey Mobile Image is the image displayed at the top of the journey in the mobile app view. Let's stop here and save the form, then discuss the tabs. The Journey Title Details tab gives us fields to create or customize the title for our journey. Title allows you to configure what will be the title of this journey. The Custom Title checkbox allows you to create a custom title. Description is the description of the journey. The title icon appears in the journey header. Next, we'll refine permissions for our specific journey. The Journey Owner Permissions tab shows the permissions that determine which features are accessible to the journey's owner. For example, owners can be given the ability to add mentors or edit the journey. When the Can Add Mentors checkbox is checked, the Mentors tab is displayed. When the Can Edit Journey box is checked, owners are given the ability to add quick links or add a personalized message. Personalized Message Template uses the email content feature to create the templates. In the Mentor Permissions tab, you are given the same options as the Journey Owner Permissions tab. Journey Designer in the Employee Center, Manager View. Let's now view our journey in the Employee Center portal. I have a manager named Alex who wants to utilize journeys for his new employee, Sophia. In the Employee Center, Alex can click Journeys at the top. Because Alex is a manager, he gets this Journeys page. Here he can view his team's journeys, journeys associated to himself, or task templates that he created. Assigning a journey to an employee. Let's now assign a journey to Sophia, our new hire. Under the My Team's Journeys tab, click Create a New Journey. Here we can create a new journey or utilize an existing journey template. We are going to use the journey we created earlier, New Hire Onboarding. Let's click the icon, then click Next. From here we can complete the form. This journey is for Sophia. Journey name. This is what we configured earlier. Journey, mentor. These are users who we can assign as mentors on the journey. Let's click Create Journey. Here's the journey we have created. Here we have the journey overview. Here on the left are the stages. Here on the right are the tasks associated to the stages. We can add more stages or add new tasks. The journey is not visible to Sophia until we click Publish Journey. We can publish it now or at a later date. We will click Publish Now. Then click Publish again. Our journey is now live and can be viewed by Sophia. Employee Journeys Employee View. Let's now look at the journey from Sophia's view. As Sophia, she can click Journeys on the top. Here she can view her tasks. She can click on the assigned journey. She has a similar view of the journey as her manager. Sophia is able to open up tasks and mark them complete as she finishes each item. Employee Journeys, Mentor's View. Let's view the journey as the mentor, Anna. Here she gets a tab called Involved Journeys. These are the journeys in which she is the mentor. Similar to the manager, she has access to View the progress of the journey. Depending on the configuration of the journey, as the mentor, she may also have access to Edit the journey. Together, we installed the Journey Designer, built a plan in Journey Accelerator, created stages and tasks, also applied our journey to an employee. Remember, what we did for onboarding today can also be done for promotions, relocations, or even return to work journeys. If this helped you, give it a like, subscribe for more quick ServiceNow tutorials, and let me know in the comments which ServiceNow functionality you want to learn next.